Hey YouTube family! Today, I've got an exciting review for you, the Leknes 3-in-1 Phone Camera Lens Kit. This kit is a game changer for mobile photography enthusiasts, and I can't wait to share my thoughts. First off, let's talk about the build quality. The lenses are crafted from industrial-grade aluminum, ensuring durability and longevity. Unlike cheaper alternatives, Leknes doesn't compromise on materials, and that's something you'll appreciate. Now, onto the lenses themselves. This kit includes a 120 degrees wide-angle lens, a 198-degree fisheye lens, and a macro lens. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens is fantastic for capturing group shots, while the fisheye lens adds a fun, circular perspective to your pictures. The macro lens lets you explore the intricate details of the world around you, with a shooting distance that's much better than other options out there. What sets this kit apart is the separate lens function. No more screwing and unscrewing lenses together. The 120 degrees wide-angle and macro lens can be used independently, providing convenience and flexibility in your photography. Attaching the lenses is a breeze with the clip-on design. Simply screw the lens onto the clip and attach it to your phone. The soft rubber clip ensures a secure grip without causing any damage to your device. Plus, the extended clip length adds stability to your setup. In terms of compatibility, the Leknes Lens Kit works with all iPhone models, Samsung Galaxy and Note, Google Pixel, Huawei, and more. So, no matter what phone you have, you can elevate your photography game. To sum it up, the Leknes 3-in-1 Phone Camera Lens Kit is a premium choice for mobile photographers who crave versatility and quality. It's a creative tool that unlocks new possibilities in your smartphone photography journey. And with Leknes backing it up with a 30-day money-back guarantee and 24/7 customer service, you've got nothing to lose. If you're curious about how to make the most of these lenses, check out the videos on the product detail page. Trust me, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve with this kit. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.